My little helper, what do you see?
A big cucumber.
That is a big cucumber.
Let's pick it.
You gonna pick it?
Yeah. Mom, it's over here.
It's over there.
What is that?
What is that?
I don't know.
Is that a tomato?
Actually.
Don't pick it.
But I didn't smell it.
You gonna smell it?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
And open.
What is it?
Cucumber.
Oh, are there little cucumbers in there growing?
Yeah.
There are. Where do you see them? Where do you see the little baby cucumber?
But right here.
Right there. There's a couple, right?
Yeah, it's that one is going big.
Yeah, it's getting there.
But it's down right. Look at that one right there.
Yeah, there's another one right there.
That all that go big.
Yeah, they're gonna get big, right?
Over here. Mommy, I see another one.
Another one, another little baby. Let's see. Where is it? There it is. It's pickling day at Little House and Homestead. I'm really excited because we have so many cucumbers in my garden, and I just don't know what to do with them anymore. We've been making a lot of cucumber salads, and at this point we need to start doing something useful with them, so I thought it'd be a great time to make some pickles. This is my first time making pickles. I've never made them before. I'm really excited about it. I got a really simple recipe off of the internet, and here we go. So some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using for our pickles today, I'm going to be trying 2 different types of pickles. They're going to be sliced differently. They're all going to have some dill and some garlic in them. I'm going to be experimenting with rice vinegar, which seems to be popular in a lot of recipes, and a white vinegar, which also is used in a lot of pickle recipes. I'm also really excited because when we bought our house about 6 years ago, they had left these old mason jars with these glass tops. I don't know how old they are. I thought they were really cool. I did sell some of them, which I regret doing now, but I'm glad I have a few, and I think they're going to be perfect for the pickles. This is a very easy pickle recipe. It'll be ready in about an hour, and it could store in your fridge for a few weeks. So this is, I think, a great first time pickling experience for us. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash the cucumbers. I'm sure you'll see my daughter Leah pop in. She likes making things with me, and she's never made pickles before, so I'm sure when she sees me doing this, she's going to want to hop right in.
All right, here we go. Oh, it's very spicy.
Okay guys, so I'm just learning how to do this. I ended up not recording cutting all this up, but I cut up all my cucumber, and now I'm going to cut up my garlic. This was our first year growing garlic. This is garlic that was harvested from our garden. This is a hardneck garlic I bought from a local farmer that I know, and I would like to really try some new garlic this year. Maybe some soft neck garlic, elephant garlic. I'm just going to kind of mince these up a little bit. Do not judge me on my knife skills. My husband makes fun of me all the time. This is just how I do things. I have a lot of things I need to learn that I want to learn. If you have any techniques for cutting, please share. But this is just kind of how I get things done. It's just my way of doing things. But I definitely would like to improve. I'm going to put about 2 cloves of garlic in each jar. I'm doing 2 jars of pickles. I do have some cucumber left over. I think what I'm going to do is save that for the cucumber salad. We really enjoy having that with dinner. Okay. I am also going to be using a lot of dill. I love dill. I love the flavor of it. I love dill pickles. So I'm just going to kind of cut these stems off and chop it up. And I'm going to be putting a lot into my pickle. I'm going to be putting a lot into my pickles. All right, my son Nick is going to help. Just wait 1 second. We're doing two separate brines for this. So we're going to have our white vinegar brine, and then we're going to have our rice vinegar brine. And we're going to see which one we like better. So we need half a cup of, hold on, bud. We need half a cup of water at room temperature. So let's do that. So let's get this room temperature. While we're waiting for that, we need half a cup of rice vinegar.
Okay.
So we're going to go to half a cup. That's left.
Yeah.
This line right here.
Yeah.
All right?
Help you?
Okay. Hold on. Ready, bottle. All right, ready? We're going to go to half a cup. Here we go. Very good. Can you pour that into that little bowl right there, Nick? Right there. Okay. Good job. And then we're going to do another. We'll do half a cup of the white vinegar. Oh, hold on, look at that. That's actually perfect. Go ahead, pour it in. Okay, Leah, just in time. Come on over. We need, what was the other one? All right, now we need, how much water did it call for? It called for half a cup of room temperature water. Half a cup. Okay, that's the white vinegar. We need another half a cup for the rice vinegar.
I can do that.
Okay, Nikki, hold on. There you go. Put the water in this one right here. Good job. Okay. The next thing we need for our recipe is 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup or sugar. Okay, so we need 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup. So that's what we're going to do. We have our maple syrup. So Leah, you can dump this one in. Hold, Nikki, hold on. I'll let you do one, Leah. You dump it in that one. Okay. All right, Nikki, right here. All right, go ahead, dump it in. One. You want to eat one? Just wait a second, please. Go ahead, pour it in. Pour it in. Put your finger in there. Okay. Leah's dying for a cucumber. Nicholas wants a cucumber. Okay. So we got that. Okay, we added the water, we added the vinegar, we need the salt. So how much salt does this call for? 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So here's our teaspoon. Is that good?
No, a plate.
A plate?
Yeah. Yeah.
One. Hold on. Okay. 1.5 teaspoons. These are half a teaspoon. Hold on, Nikki. I'll do it, bud. Okay, half a teaspoon.
I'll hold it.
Okay, pour it in. Half a teaspoon. I'm just going to give this a little mix. Stir until most of the salt has dissolved. about 30 seconds to a minute, and then it says to set aside. So I'm just gonna go mix. Actually, you guys want to mix this? No?
I'll take that.
Not yet, bud. Not yet. Not yet.
Go back.
Go ahead. You can do a little bit.
Right, that's it. That's it.
All right. So I'm going to finish mixing this, and then we are going to set this aside. So this one is our white vinegar. This one is our rice vinegar. We are all set with
I'll
this.
drink that.
No, you can't drink that.
Go
No.
back.
No.
Please.
All right.
I'm back.
So we'll set those aside. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is fill our mason jars with pickles.
I want to do it.
So we're going to do it together.
Yeah.
Okay. Leah, you can fill that one. Nikki, you fill the big ones up. Go ahead. You're going to stick them in just like that.
I'm excited to make pickles. And if you don't know, I love pickles. I can eat them every day for breakfast, every day for lunch, every day even for dinner. Mommy, I don't want to do it.
Okay, you do it. So while they're doing that, the next step is to top the cucumbers with the dill and garlic. They have bay leaf. I'm not going to put the bay leaf in. I don't have any. Let me just, hold on, Nikki. Let's see if we can really get these in here. Really quick way. I think I have one more jar if we need it, but let's see. I think we can fit all these in here.
Mine definitely can. Nick, stop eating all of them.
Where are you putting the, okay, that's fine. Stick these in here and then we'll
For
have,
Nick's them.
all right, we want to leave some room. Okay, you guys could eat those extra ones, all right? How about that?
I think.
All right,
Nick.
Nick, you put it in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to top it with dill and garlic. So, Nikki, you want to help?
Yeah.
So we're going to do half. Hold on. I got lots and lots of dill. So dill, put it all in here. Nikki, put the dill in here. Hold on. Okay. Very good. Perfect. Okay. And garlic. Have Leah get the rest of that garlic in there.
And it's also cool because it's like it tastes that how this one tastes or this.
They have the same flavor, so we have the rice vinegar and the regular white vinegar. Okay, so see the spout, pour that in. Hopefully we made enough.
Oh wait, that one.
No, pour the, oh yeah, right. Okay, hold on. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to make some more. So let's do, I'm just going to do it real quick. We need it
We're
twice.
just gonna repeat it.
Yeah, we need it twice the amount. So we got half a cup. We had made pickles before with like leftover pickle juice from pickles we used. And, you know, they call for warm water, and the pickles juice that we had, it was in our fridge obviously, so it was in cold water. And it definitely made a difference from the absorption of flavor.
Hey Mom, how about that in a cup?
Yeah, and we're just making another.
Mom, put that in a cup.
No, we can't put the syrup in a cup. No. Nicholas, I said no. Alright, we might have too much here, but that's okay. Alright, well that's sitting for a couple of minutes. Leah, why don't you go ahead and pour that in to what Nick made. That's not fair, it says. Perfect. I think we're going to need a little bit more of bad. Not much. That one actually
Pretty good.
wasn't too bad. I'm just gonna eye this out a little bit.
We're gonna eyeball it.
I'm gonna eyeball it. Because that's how, what I do. This is how I cook, I know.
I feel like a lot of moms that
Whoops,
do
that's a
stuff.
lot.
I feel like a lot of moms are like just eyeballing stuff. Kids are like, okay, no, mom, no, we have to look at the ingredients.
Alright.
And we have to make it.
Let this one sit for a second, Leah. Why don't you pour this right up to, leave about like an inch, okay, on the neck. And stop. Beautiful. That's good.
And now, Mom, how
Okay.
long are these gonna sit?
1 hour, they say. This is a quick recipe, which is why
Put it.
for our first ever pickling experience, our first ever pickling, we're gonna do a quick one that lasts an hour. It takes about an hour to pickle, and it's gonna last in the fridge for a couple weeks. So let's just clean the lids.
Trust me, if you are a pickle fan, you love pickles, and you have garden cucumbers, don't just waste your time going to the store, even if you don't feel like it, making it. Still, just make it. It's so much easier, and you can have them every day.
We have Leah's pickles, which we did the white vinegar, and the ones Nikki put in here was the rice vinegar. So there you have it. I'm excited. Are you? All right, should we put
You
them
made
in?
mine with the white vinegar?
You have the white vinegar, Nikki has the rice vinegar.
Oh, gosh.
So these are going to go in the fridge. We'll set a timer for an hour. I actually kind of want to make sure we finish this. Oh, 3 weeks in the fridge, so that's perfect. And these jars, I'm excited. I'm finally getting to use these jars.
Wait, Mom, we have to wait 3 weeks.
No, they'll stay in the refrigerator for 3 weeks. But we have to wait an hour. All right, here they go.
Mama, I'll help you. No,
I'm
don't
not going to
die.
help. We're going to put these in here.
Done.
Okay. All right, guys.
Done.
Now for the cleanup.
Hi, Mom.
All right, guys, so that's the end of our first time pickling video. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Thanks for visiting, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more stuff from us, all
And
right?
turn on
Turn on
notifications.
notifications.
Thumbs up.
All right, sounds good. Bye, guys.
Bye.
So the next day I decided I was going to tear apart my entire kitchen and paint my cabinets. It was a lot more work than I expected. I had to take off all our old hardware, which was very, very old. I had to go through with a little wood putty and fill in all the holes, which you can see me doing there. And then finally I painted, and I thought the ending result was nice. My husband is going to be putting a new countertop in and just kind of refreshing things. I had a hard time deciding what color I was going to choose, but this is the end result. This is what I chose. Let me know what you guys think.